How to turn off your active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can turn off your active status on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to turn off our active status, you have to go ahead and then open the Instagram app and then go to your profile tab. Once you come to your profile tab, tap on the three lines from the top right hand side, go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, choose the option called privacy from the very top, scroll down and select the option called activity status. Once you tap on activity status, you want to make sure that this toggle is actually turned off. When you turn this off, people will not be able to view your active status, but keep in mind that when you turn off your own active status, you will also not be able to see other people's active status. If I just go ahead and come to my DMs page as well and show you, I'll not be able to see other people's active status as well. And that's all it takes to turn off active status on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.